In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror text in Microsoft Word. This is perfect for creative layouts, signage, or any design where an inverted look adds impact. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick, and you can follow along in any recent version of Word that uses the ribbon interface. Start by opening your document and clicking where you want the mirrored text to appear. Next, go to the Insert tab along the top of the window. This tab is your gateway for adding visual elements, and it's where Word stores the tools we need for special text effects. Choose WordArt from the Insert tab. You'll see a gallery of styles. The style you pick doesn't lock you in. Think of it as a starting look. You can always change the color, outline, and font later, so feel free to select a simple option for now. A WordArt box will appear. Type your text directly into that box. Use the floating mini toolbar or the Home tab to set your font size and color so the text is easy to see before you mirror it. If needed, drag the WordArt to position it where you want, and use the corner handles to resize without distorting it. With the WordArt still selected, look for the WordArt Format or Shape Format tab that appears on the ribbon. Click Text Effects. The icon looks like a stylized, glowing letter A. This menu controls shadows, reflections, and the 3D settings we'll use to flip the text cleanly. Hover over 3D rotation to open its options, then choose 3D rotation options at the bottom. This opens the Format Shape pane on the right side, where you can dial in exact values for a precise mirror effect. In the 3D rotation section, find the rotation fields and set the X rotation to 180 degrees. This flips the text vertically, creating a mirrored, upside-down effect across a horizontal axis. For a true flat mirror without perspective distortion, make sure the other rotation fields Y and Z are set to 0 and keep perspective at 0 as well. You'll see the change update immediately in your document. When the text looks right, click back into your document. You can still move, resize, and format the mirrored WordArt as needed. If you want both a normal and mirrored version, duplicate the WordArt first, then apply the rotation to one copy so you can compare or layer them. Finish by saving your document and using Print Preview to confirm the mirrored orientation is exactly what you expect. That's it. Insert, WordArt, type, text effects, 3D rotation, options, and set X rotation to 180 degrees for a clean mirrored result.